Hello, hi, welcome to Seiyun Tech YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about Python programming with Raspberry Pi. Okay, so today's topic is string methods, Boolean, and if-else condition. Yeah, I will open Python editor. First, we will declare a variable. Okay, so we are going to see now string methods. Okay, what are string methods available in Python? I am declaring a variable a equal to Python. Now I am giving a print command. Okay, I am trying to print the Python in uppercase. So a dot upper. So you have to open and close as. So what it will do? So it will convert, okay, this thing which has been given in a variable a to uppercase. See, now Python has been changed to uppercase. Same, you can give lowercase also. A dot lower you have to type. So it will print the string Python in lowercase. Then commenting this line. See, now we got lowercase in the console. See, lowercase. Okay. So if you want to print a string in lowercase, you have to give the variable dot lower. Okay. So if you want swap the case, okay. So uppercase, if we are a string already have uppercase and lowercase means we can swap uppercase to lowercase and lowercase to uppercase. For that, a dot swap case you have to provide. Okay. So what it will do? It will swap the cases. Uppercase is that, then lowercase. If lowercase is that, then uppercase. I will comment the previous time. Okay. Oh, sorry. Swap case is missing. Okay. Now you see. So what string you have passed? You passed p caps Python. Now it become p small. Rest are all caps. Okay. So this is swap case. Okay. So now we will capitalize. Okay, print a dot capitalize. So what this method will do? It will capitalize the first character of a string. Okay, which is stored in a variable a. So what is stored in the variable a? Python. So it will capitalize the first character, okay, of this tree. I will comment the previous line. See, already first letter is caps, so that's why there is no difference at all. Okay, so I will make it small so that you can easily understand. So now I made it small. See, now we got the first letter caps, the console. You got it, right? So now another method is center. So I will give print a dot center will open bracket a dot center open bracket with the line space. Sorry, 30 line space I will give. So what it will do? So it will bring the string, okay, which is present in the variable va, okay, by moving it to 30 line spaces. Okay. Now I will comment the previous line. See, so 30 line space. Okay, your sentence is moved. Afterward, it got printed Python. Okay, got it right. So now I want to count a particular word, how many times available in that particular sentence. So for that, you can use a dot count of which letter you want to count. Okay, with it should be mentioned in open braces, open bracket and close bracket with within double quotes. Say for example, I am going to count, okay, P. Okay, so I will then P. So how many times P is in that sentence? Okay, Python programming. So how many times are there? Python programming. So it is 2 times. Okay, P is appearing 2 times. Okay, in Python program. Okay, let us see how what our Python program is saying. So this method will count, okay, the particular letter which has been given inside the count, okay, parameter with double quotes. The 2 times. We got it right. Same. There is one more method, okay, that is n with. Okay. So now I will use print a dot n with. Okay. So now I'm going to check whether it is ended with a dot or not. Okay. Now I am executing. If it is ended with a dot, okay, it will show true. Yes, it is ended with a dot. Got it right. So this is the end with method. So it will check, okay, whether the particular sentence is ends with a word given or not. Okay. So these are the methods, string methods. So next command is okay. So next we are going to see about strip. When giving some space, okay, in front and at the starting and ending of that particular sentence. Okay, so I'm going to use strip. Print open bracket a dot strip strip. Now open it and close the bracket. So what it will do? It will remove. Okay, it will remove the spaces, the starting and ending spaces, not the between space. Okay, if there is any space at the starting or not the end of the string means it will remove it. So to remove the spaces, say for example, sometimes now we will provide mobile number at dot. Okay, that and it might be wrongly they given some space or any other thing. Then we can remove. Okay, the starting and ending spaces. Okay, white space. So it will remove these spaces. Okay, and the start and end of the string. Okay, so next method is replace. Okay, so now we can replace a particular word. Okay, using this method. Okay, I will show you. Okay, so I'm giving print open bracket a dot replace open bracket. Sorry, my keyboard problem. Also, so you have to give it the quotes. Okay, so I am going to replace H. Okay, Python H is coming now. So H2. Okay, so what character you are going to give? You have to give it with comma within quotes. You have to use okay within double quotes. So I am going to replace it with I. Okay, so now close it. So what it will do? See Python. So H has been replaced. Okay, so you can replace a word. Okay, in this stream using this replace method. You got it right. So there is one more method split. Okay, suppose I want to split. Okay, so a single sentence into multiple words. Then we can use split. Okay, so for uh, doing this split, we need to provide at which place we need to split the sentence into multiple words. Okay, you got it now. So print a dot split open bracket within quotes See, now, see, I am removing the spaces also. Okay, because we are going to see another one. Okay, another one method. So I am going to split using comma. Okay, sorry. So a space itself is done. Na? Then instead of providing comma, I am directly splitting using this space because both in this sentence in between we have a space, right? Python programming. So using space, I splitted the sentence into two words. Now you can see in the console it is printing as Python programming. Okay, Python is one word and programming is other word. Okay. So then I can concatenate, okay, a string as well as a integer value. Okay. Now you will see how we are going to concatenate a string and integer value. Okay. I will remove all these examples. I will declare a variable, say for example, age. Okay. So age equal to 25. Okay. So I am going to declare this is integer. Okay. So I am going to declare another variable. Okay. Which is txt. In str I will declare equal to, okay, f within quotes. I am giving a string. My name is, where you saw me, comma, I am. So now we need to concatenate the age, which is integer here, right? So that should be given in flower bracket. Okay, in flower bracket, you specify age. Okay, now you close your double quotes. Okay, now print this string variable, print str, execute. See, now we got a concatenated sentence with the integer age. Okay. You got it right? So if you are giving colon means then you are making it as a space. Okay. See. So what you are doing? You are creating a folder. Okay, placeholder. Okay. So you are creating a age as a placeholder. Okay. Which will hold the integer value of 25. Okay. So now we will see Boolean. Get Python Boolean. So I'll give the best example for Boolean. So I am declaring two integer variables a 10 and b 5. Okay. So print a is greater than b. Okay. So now you check. So a is greater than b, right? So it will print as a true. This is Boolean. Okay. If I give a equal to b, so it is not equal. So it will give false. Okay. This is Python Boolean, which stores true or false. Okay. So now we'll see condition. So just I want to check a condition and print some information based on the condition. We are going to see if else condition. Okay. A equal to, I'm providing some value. B equal to, I'm being some value. So both are integers. I'm going to check a condition. If, okay, B greater A, okay, you have to give colon. Then I'm going to print some information in the console. Okay. Say for example, B is greater than A. So if B is greater than A, then it will print B is greater than A. Okay. So it will check whether B is greater than A or what. So if it is greater, then it will print this value. Okay. Sorry, this information. Okay. Else. Okay. Again colon. Now print B is lesser than A. So I am giving again some information. Okay, that is message, some message. So what will our program do? Our program, okay, allocates, okay, where some memory for a variable a and b, okay, and stores the value 10 and 5. And condition, it will check if b is greater than a or what. So if it is b, if b is greater than a, then it will print b is greater than a. Else it will print b is lesser than a. Okay. So now b is lesser than a. Okay. That's all. Okay.